Now in front of us we have question number 1, third part of exercise 3.3. 3.3. These are the two equations. We have to find the value of x and y by substitution method. So from first equation we get y is equal to 3x minus 3. Now put the value of, this is third, put the value of y in second equation. 9x minus 3 into 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. Now solve the equation. 9x minus this minus 3 minus this 9x minus plus 3 3 is 9 equals to 9. 9x minus 9x is 0. 9 is equal to 9. We get this, which is true. It means equation has infinite solution. Hence, the pair of linear equations have infinite many solutions. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.